lived a frog so small and light, with a ribbon and a hop so high. He tried to touch the big blue sky. He leaped on rocks, he bounced on logs. He played all day with other frogs. Race you there, they love to say, jumping, hopping all the way. Splash, oh no, he slipped and fell right into a watery well. But with a wiggle and a grin, he paddled up and out again. So if you fall, don't feel sad, try again and you'll be glad. Just like Froggy, bold and free, jumping high with endless glee.